Welcome to OpsHub's blog series. We enable you to make better decisions. The integration of best-of-breed tools such as Jama Connect and Azure DevOps helps development and operations teams manage their application lifecycle effectively. OpsHub Integration Manager's bidirectional data integration bridges the communication gap between the product and development teams by providing them with clear visibility of cross-functional data in their preferred systems in real time. OIM's agile integration puts the entire value stream of organizations on a fast track with guaranteed data consistency, end-to-end traceability of requirements, history preservation in integrated systems, robust failure recovery capabilities, built-in conflict resolution between source and target, and deployment flexibility. The integration of Jama and ADO using OIM enables users get access to the latest business requirements, development statuses, and QA cycles without any manual effort. Let's take a look at the integration of Jama Connect with Azure DevOps using OIM. No tickets are created yet in either of the systems. The product team in Jama creates a new requirement, gives it a name and description, then saves it. Once the requirement is created, the product team goes ahead and adds an attachment. The requirement created in Jama has synced in ADO as an epic. The engineering team in ADO clicks on the epic to view all details. And then adds a comment and changes the state to active, which also gets bidirectionally synced in Jama. The product team in Jama refreshes the page to view the additional comment and change state, and adds a comment which will also reflect in ADO. The engineering team in ADO views the comment added by the product team in Jama, and then adds a new user story and creates a parent-child relationship with the epic. The engineering team gives the user story a name and description. The user story created in ADO reflects as a sub-requirement here in Jama. The product team clicks on the sub-requirement to view all details. The parent-child relationship created in ADO has synced to Jama and made an upstream and downstream relationship between the requirement and sub-requirement. In ADO, the engineering team adds a comment notifying the product team on the completion of the user story and also simultaneously changes the state to resolved. The product team in Jama clicks on the sub-requirement to view the additional comment and update its state to resolved. Back in ADO, the engineering team now changes the state of the epic to resolved. The state change made to the epic in ADO reflects in the requirement in Jama. Navigating to the OpsHub integration page, here we are showcasing how to create Jama and ADO systems for integration. To create a new Jama system, the OpsHub admin selects the system type and adds required fields such as system name, version, instance URL, and authentication. Let's take a look at a previously created Jama system. To create an ADO system, the OpsHub admin will select the system type and add the system name, deployment mode, server URL, authentication, and service URL. Here is an example of a previously created ADO system. The OpsHub admin will now create a mapping by dragging both the ADO and the Jama systems. You can also create a mapping from the configure mapping page as shown in the video. Once all details are added, the OpsHub admin will select on Create from Scratch or Automap as per requirement, and click on Create Mapping to save it. Now let's take a look at a previously created mapping. OpsHub enables customers to create integrations from both the Configure integration page and the configure mapping page. OpsHub recommends the use of configure mapping page for integrations as shown in the video. Integration configuration details are auto-filled when integrations are done from the configure mapping page. Let's take a look at a previously created integration. For remote ID and remote link synchronization between Jama and ADO, apply these settings. That completes the demo. Thanks for watching. OpsHub Integration Manager's support for Jama Connect ensures better team coordination with full clarity into requirements across the product delivery lifecycle. For a personalized demo on OpsHub's products and services, visit our website.